reports surrounding the collapse of a long-standing 50-year-old petrodollar agreement between the US and Saudi Arabia spread like wildfire on social media. But before diving into the potential impact, let's understand what the petrodollar is and what exactly is the current status of these reports. So anyway, oil is the lifeblood of the global economy and petrodollars is the practice of pricing oil exclusively in US dollars. In simple words, petrodollars refers to the US dollars earned by oil exporting countries through the sale of oil. The system emerged in the 1970s after the US abandoned the gold standard. Countries needing oil had to buy dollars to pay for it, creating a constant demand for the US currency and solidifying its status as the world's reserve currency. Moving on, in 1974, amid an oil crisis and skyrocketing prices due to OPEC sanctions, the US and Saudi Arabia struck a crucial deal. The US agreed to buy oil from Saudi Arabia and provide military aid and equipment, while the Saudis would invest their petrodollar revenue back into the US economy, ideally through US treasuries. This arrangement ensured a steady flow of oil and economic dominance to the US and financial stability for the Saudi Arabia, benefiting both nations. Now, what's the current status? Recent reports suggest that Saudi Arabia has chosen not to renew the pact. While the full picture remains unclear, this could signal a significant shift in global financial dynamics. And over the last few days, several media houses reported that this news is fake and the agreement never even existed in the first place. However, about 80% of the global oil sales are still conducted in dollars. But with the shift in the tide and international relations, we've seen countries like India and China seeking to buy oil in their local currencies. In fact, Saudi Arabia indicated it was happy to negotiate oil sales in other currencies. While most of the oil is settled in dollars, India recently made its first ever payment in rupees for crude oil purchase from the UAE. Likewise, the Chinese have also paid in the local currency, which is the yuan. But what if the tables turn, and what could be the impact of not renewing the deal? While trading oil in dollars keeps things simple, it could create far-reaching consequences. The end of the petrodollar system may lead to a decrease in global demand for the US dollar, thereby leading to volatility in exchange rates with dollar-denominated assets. Furthermore, it could create a more complex oil market and create geopolitical tensions. To conclude, the news surrounding the petrodollar may be a false alarm, but it serves as a reminder that the global financial landscape is constantly evolving. Stay curious, stay informed, and don't get swept away by every headline. Having said that, this is me, Rahul, signing off. Have a great day and stay safe.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.